No. That one and that one. That one. And then point one straight up to the top. Point one straight up. We're done! What the heck? No, you can't touch it. Just come together into one marshmallow. Go. You started so early. And then one at the top. All four of them? Yeah. Go. No.
Cheaters! That's it?
Go back up to look at it if you want. Okay, and then to make like a roof, there's a diagonal line. No, okay, you see this cube, right? Put cross. No. The toothpick. Yeah, point it in the middle.
Oh, that's what I was doing.
No. That's the cube. No, not. Yeah, the other one.
Alright, for those who are done, bring up the new member.
On top of that marshmallow.
What is that?
Here?
Yeah. And combine those two.
These?
No, that was my bad. Take those 3 marshmallows out.
Dog!
Get the end one. Combine it together.
Okay, these two?
Yeah, no. That middle one. Put it, that one and that marshmallow. That one and that.
So what we had before?
What we had before. And then put 2 marshmallows on it and have one.
On where?
On top. No, just marshmallows, not sticks.
How are you gonna do that?
Bite it off. Just go like that. Oh.
Alright.
And then have one stick coming out of that one.
This one?
No. Bottom.
This one?
This one?
Stop pointing, dude.
That one? Pointing that way. Pointing down that way and put a marshmallow and we're done.
Okay. Go.
What the heck is that?
Go.
Go, run!
Go.
He totally just mushed it together.